There's no online voter registration in the state of Texas, but did a nonprofit just find a loophole? More than 800 voter registrations in Travis County are in legal limbo tonight after the nonprofit vote.gov registered people over the computer and faxed them into the Travis County clerk.
The Texas Secretary of State says that they broke the law. KXAN's political reporter Phil Prazen reports this happened more than 2,000 times across the state, and it might end up in court.
More than 800 Texans went online to vote.org, filled out the online forms, took a picture of their signature and uploaded it, and that was then faxed into the Travis County clerk. The Texas Secretary of State's office says that is against the law.
Unless you are the Department of Public Safety, you can't affix somebody else's signature to an application for them. It's against the law in Texas, and there's reasons for that. Is because it prevents fraud.
Sam Taylor from the Secretary of State's office says a copy can be sent in, but it has to be a copy of the handwritten registration form, and the stakes are high.
And they could be potentially opening up these voters to legal challenges, challenges to their registration, and even potentially an election contest.
Founder of Vote.org, Deborah Cleaver, says they did follow the law. She says the law doesn't specify that a handwritten copy is needed.
It's not that we disagree with them, it's that, the dictionary would disagree with them. It's that any reasonable person understands what a copy is.
Our position is that we're going to process them like any other voter registration application.
Travis County voter registrar Bruce Elfant says his lawyer is saying they're okay. If the state has to say something different, they might have to take it to a judge.
This is a fluid situation, so if there's a time where we're directed to do otherwise, we're in good shape to do it.
The Secretary of State does not have the legal power to enforce these laws, so we reached out to the Texas Attorney General, who prosecutes voting crimes. We wanted to know if they were going to sue, and we have not heard back yet. Robert, Sydney.
Thank you, Phil. But now the Texas Secretary of State, the Travis County Clerk, and vote.org are all reaching out to these voters to make sure they fill out handwritten originals as well.
The deadline to register to vote is October 9th.